everybody, my name is Martin Mor and this is one of my trick tutorials. Today's lesson is about juggling 3 balls. It is designed for people who can already juggle 3 balls, so if you cannot, please go and look at my video how to juggle 3 balls. It's on my channel, have a look back, learn to juggle 3 balls and then come and check this out next. Juggling is a physical activity much like a sport, and with sports people tend not to just jump straight into doing their sport, they do a little warm-up first of all. So today we are going to look at a 3-ball juggling warm-up that will improve your juggling technique and build the foundations for lots of fantastic tricks that you'll be able to learn next. We start with 1 ball. We throw the ball from hand to hand in the normal cascade shape. When the ball comes to our right hand, we're going to throw it up into the air. I want you to think of this. Height number 1 is going to be about the height of your shoulder. We are going to call this height number 1. Height number 2 is slightly above your head, and height number 3 is anywhere above that. Same applies on the other side. Height number 1, about the height of your shoulder. Height number 2, about the height of your head. And height number 3 is anything above that height. Throw the ball from your right hand to your left hand. When it comes back to your right hand, throw it to height number 1. Think about where height number 1 is, about the height of your shoulder, and simply throw the ball back and forward to height number 1. Do this a couple of times, get the idea of what that looks like and get it into your peripheral vision. So when you're juggling, you don't have to be looking at the balls. Then we do the same thing, but this time we're aiming for height number 2. Throwing the ball to height number 2 and back again. Go and give that a practice and see how you get on. Now, really quickly, we'll try it where we're throwing to height number 3. Height number 3 is anywhere higher than height number 2. Go and give that a quick practice. Now we know, and we have trained our peripheral vision to know, where heights numbers 1, 2 and 3 are. This is what I'd like you to try next, still with just 1 ball. Height number 1. Height number 2. Height number 3. Try that, going through heights numbers 1, 2 and 3. See how you get on. Have a quick practice. It's a drill that we can do every day when we start to juggle. Just wakes our senses up, gets us ready, and as I said previously, it will set the foundations for lots of other juggling tricks. You're not training for just this, you're training your juggling for lots more tricks, more advanced tricks. Here we go. The 3-ball cascade. Every throw that comes from our right hand to our left hand, we are going to call that 1. We're going to count that throw. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Every throw from our right hand to our left hand, we give that a number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, easy as that. Have a quick go. Now we know that the numbers that we're using are from our right hand to our left hand. This is going to be the juggling drill. 4 throws in the cascade pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next throw goes to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So we did 4 throws this way, and on the next throw it went to the height of 1. If we did it on our left hand, it would look like this. We're still counting the throws from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, try that. Don't worry too much about the heights, as long as it is distinguishable between the heights. Go and have a go, see how you get on, pause the video, come right back to me. Hopefully you had some success with that. Now we're going to do it on either side. It will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, don't get too caught up in counting it. If you go off the beat a little bit, it doesn't matter. If you lose count, if you lose track of where you are, just start again. Just go, okay, here we go. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Like that. Give that a go, see how you get on. Okay, this is what we're going to do next. 1, 2, 3 and 1. 1, 2, 3 and 1. 1, 2, 3, too high. 1, 2, 3, too high. 1, 2, 3, really high. 1, 2, 3, really high. 1, 2, 3. How does that look? Give it a go, have a practice, and we'll come back to the next stage. Here's the next stage, all together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Give that a go and see how you get on. Hopefully now you can do this little drill. There's loads of ways to mix it up a little bit. Like for example, you can do all of the throws coming to one side. Then all of the throws over on the other side. Or you can do them every side. All of these things are good. As an added advanced technique, why not try this? Get a different coloured ball and use it for the height throws. Every time it comes to your hand, the different coloured ball goes to one of the side throws. So that's today's juggling drill. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it is useful for you and helps improve your 3-ball juggling. In my next video that I'm going to post, we will look at how we take this drill and we move it forward into 4-ball juggling and also loads of 3-ball juggling tricks. If you've enjoyed this, please hit like, please comment, hit the bell, subscribe. I'll be putting up lots more videos in the future to hopefully help us all get a bit better at juggling. Thanks, goodbye.